Hi guys, welcome back to the break. Looks like Pittsburgh has taken the lead now. Just want to see Pittsburgh Penguins 2-1. Not too bad. There we've got everything set up for our break. For the bonus portion. So I'll show you the time. Actually, I don't need to show you the time. I'll show it on the computer here. There we are, 8:11, Tuesday, May 14th, Eastern Time. Here we have all the teams. Let's see if I can put it in a bigger. There we go. That should be better. So all the teams, and I will random each 3 times. Just to show you again, this was basically the hit of the night. Bill Ranford, look at that. It's like a piece of game used equipment. Looks like his pad. It's awesome. 6 out of 15. Great hit. Too bad it wasn't Gretzky, but that's okay. Okay, so some people have hit and they will not be participating for the following cards, but let's get this going. Still 2-1. Unbelievable game last night between Toronto and Boston. I mean, I just think Toronto lacked the experience to just shut down Boston at the end, and it's okay. They're gonna learn. So we have Montreal on top, Nashville on top, and first card goes to Minnesota. My Finnish friend, Inkari Pinkari. Nice for you. You'll be getting a game used jersey from Certified Fabrics. Nice card out of $2.99. Looks like a 76, something like that. Of Michael Rupp, who now plays for Minnesota. It's a hit for you. So Minnesota gets Rupp. Reset the list. All 30 teams. There we go. Nashville's on top. Dallas is on top. Minnesota again, but you can't win again. So Tampa Bay did not hit. Jay Bailey, you hit with another team. That does not disqualify you from this. This is from Panini Prime. It's a silver or whatever they call it, a parallel of Eric Lindros. 20 out of 25. Nice card. Of the next one, like they called him. So there's a nice Lindros card for Jay Bailey. And now let's do this again. Got 2 more bonus cards, and then we'll do a draw. A couple of draws. Okay. New Jersey. Oh, it always does that every so often. I hope you guys can see. I didn't notice that my camera loses focus sometimes, even if it's just staring at it. Now it's better. Let me know if you missed on the other breaks. I wasn't looking. So you got New Jersey on top, Ottawa on top, Nashville. Nashville today hit. No, KKLA 9554. He always buys Nashville. But the card you're getting is not Nashville. It's from Luxury Suite. Rookie card of Tommy Wingles. Tommy's playing some really good hockey for San Jose right now. I believe he's like on the 3rd line. Seems like a high energy type of player, good in both ends. 36 out of 899. Was that 830? No, it's 36. So that's a rookie card from 2010-11. Wingles goes to Nashville. Okay, and one more to go. So one, Calgary, Montreal, New York Islanders hit. Sorry, Automaton Droid. Carolina did hit. Ausman B. San Jose did not hit. San Jose's Jay Bailey. Jay Bailey has done very well in this portion. So you bought a bunch of teams. So you got a pretty nice card here from Titanium. It's a Sergei Bobrovsky game-worn gear. That guy just was unbelievable for Columbus. Heck of a goalie. I don't know what happens. Goalies go to die in Philly for some reason. Brizgalov was a pretty good goalie before he got there. Steve Mason may be the opposite. Looks like he's going to be better in Philly, but I'm not a big fan of Steve Mason. So. Bobrovsky looks like he's got a good chance to win the Vezina. So it's either going to be him or Niemi, I would say. So that's a nice hit there. Not numbered. Bobrovsky. 2-1 still. Must be after the period. Yeah, end of one. Blue Jays scored 6 in the top of the first off Barry Zito tonight for you baseball fans. So now we're going to do some spots for the free entry into a one-box break of Sweet Shot. So everyone's eligible now, even if you did have a hit in the bonus or in the regular part. So here we go. 3 times. Columbus. This is to determine which one of you wins the spot. Florida. Columbus. Jay Dickey. You didn't get a hit, but now you got a free spot. You got a hit with another team, but that's okay. Free spot. Now we're going to determine your team. Montreal is the best team available right now, so good luck. Buffalo. St. Louis. Toronto. Toronto is gone. New York Islanders are gone. Phoenix is gone. Luckily for you. Philly's available. That's a nice hit. Philly. Free spot with Philly. Philly always has good potential hits. I'll do another one. Since I have 7 teams left. So here we go. Everyone's back in. Tampa Bay. Phoenix. Rangers. D-Mac. D-Mac gets a free spot. Congrats to you. Let's see who you'll be getting. Vancouver. Tampa. LA's gone. Phoenix is gone. Islanders. Boston is gone. Florida's gone. Pretty sure, yeah. Tampa Bay is gone. Ottawa is gone. New York Rangers. Somebody has New York Rangers. Somebody has Islanders. Dallas is available. It's not a bad hit. Back then they were pretty good. So you got Dallas. I'll do one more. I'll leave 5 teams available. Let me just put those up for auction and let them bring what they may. So here we go. 1, Ottawa. Dallas. Good luck, everyone. Washington. M. Knox. You had a pretty good, got a couple of hits. Now you got a free spot. could have done worse. So I'd like to hear from you guys on products you'd like to see me break. You see on eBay all different levels of from the cup all the way down to Pinnacle and Zenith. I really don't like Zenith. I'm not going to break any of that cheap stuff. Sweet Shot's, an inexpensive product, but with, some huge potential rewards. So uh, that's why I like breaking it. Um, I'd like to do the cup and Dominion and those. So let's see this last one. Let's see who this guy gets. Calgary, Florida, Edmonton is gone. It would have been nice. Montreal, you just hit the jackpot, buddy. Montreal, that's the best team left. You can hit a Carey Price, Halak, Kostitsyn. I mean, there's a lot of stuff there. So there goes Montreal. Not much left. So thank you everyone for participating, and all your cards will be out in the mail this week. Again, let me know what you'd like to see me break, because I'm open to breaking just about anything. Case breaks, well, so if I can afford it, I'll try and do a Dominion case or something. So let me know. Have a great night. Take care.